We are on a big old farm over in Chester this morning, installing a Starlink. Nice install, 12 by 12 galvanised bracket, 3 foot 2 inch mast, and our very own pole adapter. Wired it in full copper Cat 6, down into the main room here, backhauled out of this room, along and down in white full copper Cat 6 cable into this room here, where we've got a Decos X50. We've then backhauled out of that one, up, along, down into this room, where we've got another Deco. However, as this house is so big, we've had to supply and fit 6 Deco units, 3 wirelessly, 3 hardwired. Customer is now receiving 150 megabytes plus in every single room on his farm. This is Aaron and Phil, Space Internet Solutions. For any inquiries, please get in touch.